Ok, finalement, vous avez un mot croisé. You have a crossword puzzle. Les jours de la semaine et les mois de l'année. The days of the week and the months of the year. Months of the year don't usually give you too many fits. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Just getting to know the spellings and the pronunciations. But then you have lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Little trickier. For this crossword puzzle, the clues are in English and the answers are in French. Don't forget, never capitalize your days and your months. Sometimes you'll see them all in caps, sometimes you'll even see them capitalized. However, the rule is that they are not capitalized. You can do it right here. And you can do it with Cami, and you can change all the sizes of the little boxes that you put it in. I also have a link that you can do it in Cami. Or if you happen to have a printer, you can just download the PDF, fill it out by hand, take a screenshot and upload it. It's whatever works for you, but it's a good activity. Okay, c'est tout. Keep studying your vocab. We're going to have a unit test next week. So we got to study and we got to review and keep it up. Soyez fort. I guess I'm talking to many of you at once. Soyez fort. Stay strong. Courage. Courage.